Hi, today I'm going to try out this fantastic TLGen. It's a Tesla LightShow app that's on the Apple Store, and it can create a custom light show for your Tesla, whether you have a Cybertruck, a Model 3, or some of the other models. And right now you can get 3 freebies per month, and you just pick an MP3 file of the music you like. And I used something off of Sono. I made some AI music to try this out with, and it selects the music with Grok AI, and it makes a light show for your vehicle. And if you have multiple vehicles, it will make a coordinated show, which is something I've never seen before. And you can select different kind of shapes that you want here, like triangle, lightning bolt, circle, just some examples of that. And on the interface, you can pick these options like car numbers, measurements, GPS, and some other things. And you also have the option to pick how many cars that you want, or some of the bars, sections on the vehicles, what you would like to do. So it's playing around with a little bit of the options here. So I have it set to 15. And then it also shows you the interface. You can, while it's playing, see all the lights, and you can move the avatar around, which is really interesting. So you can see the front, back, and the different views of how your show is showing up. And you can switch that interface from your shape, from a single car to what shape, coordinated show that you would like to see. So it has a lot of options, and every time I turn around, this is the prism avatar, and then you can go back to the truck, and then you can go to a shape, and you can export it to your LightShow folder and save it on your device, and then put it on a flash drive, and off you go, plug in the flash drive and use the LightShow feature. So this is what I did, and you can try it out. It's pretty great. So I'll let you listen to the song and see what I did with my show. Now this is the interface where I did it with the multi-cars. And it increases the number of vehicles as you increase the number on there. It's very interesting. I really like the app. It works really easy, and every time you turn around they have new updates, so make sure you're always update to get the latest features. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link to share where it is on the Apple Store. I learned about it on X, so try it out. I think it's a fantastic creative addition to all the great apps out there for Tesla. So give it a try.